done to us? Where is my family? He drove them away. I don't need you anymore. You're useless. Ah!
Are you here about my husband? Are you one of the...
No.
I just sat beside him on a bus. He left something there before the accident. The Bible. Did you bring it with you? No. I want to tell you something. Not because I want something back. I was a real estate agent then. I found the bag in an old house which I couldn't sell. I took it because it was supposed to bring luck. Indeed, I became lucky. But people were dying one by one. Like you, I want to know why. Soon everything became clear. Whoever sees himself in the mirror dies. My mistake was telling my husband.
You mean during an assault?
2 people you know already died. How many more? Your neighbor? Your friend? Your husband? Children? Are you willing to risk their lives?
Thank you for your time.
Bring me back the bagua. I'll pay you.
As far as I know, this Bago was owned by Rose Fee. She died inside a burning house in Shanghai. She can't run or walk because her feet were bound in iron shoes. They say she was embracing this Bago as she was burning. She swore in the mirror before she died. The curse was to get the soul of anyone who sees himself in the mirror.
But how can we save those who look in the mirror?
Nobody knows.
Why don't we just break the mirror?
Don't do that. Your soul might be taken too.
How can we end the curse?
I don't know. I will search the answers from the old books.
Who's this?
This is Xu Liao. Is this Joy Ramirez?
Yes?
Just say no.
What?
When good fortune comes, reject it. That will end the curse. The curse will end only if you say no to good luck. Then destroy the mirror. The curse will end and the next victim will be saved.
That's it? How come nobody thought about this before? It's so simple.
It's not that nobody thought of it. Maybe they just find it hard to let go of good fortune.
Don't be a coward. We'll just try.
Count me out. I'm going to bed.
No, stay here. Brittany, hold your hand. Just don't tell your mom, okay? Yeah, let's start playing.
Let's close our eyes. Spirit, spirit, if you are here. Spirit, spirit, let us know you are near. I want to be.
No.
Spirit, spirit, if you are here. Spirit, spirit, let us know you are near.
John's dead. Please pick up the kids from his mom, okay? Thank you.
Mommy! Mommy!
I'm so worried about you. What happened to you?
Mommy, there was a big accident. Good thing Aunt Thelma drives well. Yes, a lot of people died, even the animals.
Stop it. You're home now. We're here now. No more to frighten us. No more ghosts. And most of all, we're all together.
Is Daddy home yet?
Not yet. You're so dirty. Better wash up first. Go change your clothes. Thanks, Thelma. I owe you a lot.
No problem.
Come, I'll show you something.
You broke it?
Yes, a lawyer was actually offering me 10 million pesos for the bagua. I refused. I did what Shula told me. I broke it.
What's important is that it's over.
I just have one more problem. I don't know how to tell the kids what happened to their dad.
They already know. Believe me. My only problem now is how to tell you.
What will you tell me?
Did you tell her already?
Almost. But you interrupted me. Now you tell her.
Mommy, we have a surprise for you.